Welcome everybody. So, the market is red. Why is that? We have many questions. Yesterday we have a huge pump for the market, but at the moment Tesla is going down. The SPY is going down as well. You see, we have a huge pullback. And we got many stocks like A, B, and B. Yesterday bumped and today is down 1%. What's going on? This jump down is not that big, so we have a bit of reaction before the market opened because we're about to have a long weekend this week. So we might see a lot of traders close their positions for today and tomorrow. So a lot of people taking profit just from yesterday pump. So we have a huge pump for many stocks like UPST jumped almost 28%. Now it's 5% down. We got A, B, and B 13% because good earnings. And we got Tesla. If we saw how much we did just from the beginning of this year, almost 100%, over the 100%. You see this? We have kind of V-shaped recovery for Tesla after the before even the good earnings. And we went 110%. So now the price pulling back for many stocks because we have a huge pump in the last few weeks. So this is normal. And it's not dropping down hard. So for Tesla, just 1%, 0.70. This is nothing, okay? So nothing changed. It's not there's news or something, but just people taking profit. If we go on the stocks that we're watching Palantir, we're watching this one. It's called NEXI. Right now jumping almost 73%. We're watching this one. We're watching AXLA. Potential try to overcome the $1, but we might have sell-off if we broke the 77. We'll watch, we'll see. How everybody doing? Welcome everybody. Good morning, good evening, good night. Welcome brothers. Sunray, grand rising everyone. Yeah, I think I can tell you here is not sunny today. It's not sunny in France. It's not sunny. It's cloudy. Biopharmaceutical stocks always jumping high meta sweep. They are always squeezing. Because sometimes they have FDA approval, new drugs, some kind of merger. So they always have a huge pump before the market open. So they are depending on the news. If you have inside news, which is illegal, you can make really good money just trading those stocks, not even looking at the charts, just from the news. But this is wishful thinking. As everybody knows, trading the news is risky. Even if you have the news, we might have a different reaction when it hit the market. Okay. So this one is pretty volatile. Yesterday, 2.388. So 2 million, almost 3 million. But I don't like the reaction right now. Because we going back. SI, Silvergate Capital. This one have many requests for it. We have a huge rejection at the moment, 23.30. 23.30 was a rejection area and the price went down from it. So that's why the price is gravitating down. Yesterday 28% and now 4% down. Okay, so we got boxed BOXD jumping 26%. Still in accumulation mode. This stock is still in accumulation mode between the 43 cent and the 69 cent. A huge range, I know, a huge range in this box, almost 50%. But this is normal for this kind of stock. Retail trade and internet retail. So it's like Amazon. Let me just check their website. Analyst rating is a good buy, but the technical is strong sell. Sometimes the technical doesn't agree with the fundamental. So yeah, it's kind of Amazon. Okay. Okay. So yeah, is still struggling. I'm watching for the support and watching for a breakout from the 70. HLBZ, a huge sell-off from the 50 cent, right now 15 cent. There is potential for this one to pump, but still stagnating down around the support. For MULN, still have potential to reverse, but at the moment is kind of tricky because we broke our ascending line. This is a sign of weakness, but we're still holding this area, so above the 31. So here is a critical area for MULN. In order to hold, then reverse. Because if we don't hold, this is confirmation for a short control and the price will continue to go down. So here should have a reversal, then squeeze. This is it. The 31 should hold for today and tomorrow to have a reversal. Otherwise, as we said before, huge selling pressure toward the 25. And there would be the reversal. So either way, we could actually make a good swing trade for MULN. I'm watching MULN. Okay, she jumps at the PPI numbers hitting the market. Yes. The producer price index, yeah. So for let me just go back. So many members said that we have, let me just show you what's going on. Okay, so we have, okay, slide 20 after another hot inflation report. Okay, so we might have an inflation report along with jobless claims showing the economy is holding up amid the Federal Reserve rate hikes. Okay, we got something going on. Anyway, that's why the first that hit the market, like those kind of news, first thing that will hit the small cap companies, you know. Yeah, Tesla's still going down. Tesla is still going down. If we go in normal hours, if we didn't get this news, we might have a really good pump for Tesla. You see, yesterday what happened? We didn't overcome this level of resistance. So the price closed below the 212. So yeah, we have just break for this price, and even after hours the price actually continued to go higher, but now the price closed and opened below this level of resistance after this kind of news about inflation. So we have to be extremely careful, because now the price might go down for Tesla, as long as we hold, as we said, the 164. So this is the discounted price for Tesla if we actually dropped. At the moment for today, we need to hold above this ascending line or above the 190 to confirm that the price will not continue to go down. So for Tesla, still looking good. Still looking good. Interesting. Let me just check one of the stocks that been heavily talked about right now. We might have a bounce for this. Let me just check the chart. Meet a sweep. This is a huge dip. Oh man, 8% up, but I don't like the chart for this one. It looks really dangerous. Wow, huge dump down from the 90 cents until the 16 cents. So for this one is dangerous. Yeah, it's dangerous. But it's doable. We might see some profit taken. SRNE. Yeah, there is a potential for this one. We might see a bit of reversal. We'll put alert just in case if we have a reversal and pump for this one. Okay, this one look dicey. This one looking dicey. We got shorted there. I don't like this. For now, we're gonna continue to go down. So just in case, I'll put that here and forget about it for now. I will focus on this one instead. And Palantir is holding up above this AMA. So we might see a reversal a bit when the market open toward the $9.90. Let's see, and SRNE is pumping. Meta Sweep, he bought SRNE yesterday. Is risky stock and risky trade, but high risk, high reward. Everybody knows. High risk, high reward for SRNE. Yesterday, almost 200 worth of volume, man. It's too much. This is big. And Palantir is less, is almost 150. But yeah, Palantir is a $10 stock. However, SRNE is just 16 cents. Welcome everybody, welcome. We got almost 12 minutes left from the opening bell, so we have to check if we got the new gappers for today. Let me refresh my list here. The first one we got 100%, but this one is light on volume, at the same time pretty cheap. Next one we have NEXI, which is the top stock that we're watching for today, 75% up. Volume is 13 million, pretty good. Next up we got AXLA, which got shorted. It's been 1% up, but now 33%. However, we already have alert around the breakout zone. If we test it, we're gonna check it out later. Next up we got IDGC. Okay, for this one is kind of cheap and light volume. Next, cheap light volume, this one as well. Yeah, this one is good. INZY. We might see if we have an entry for this one. Is looking kind of interesting. Okay, we have an interesting play here. INZY, we might have something for this one. Looking interesting. Now 41%. Yeah, doing all right. Volume is 3 million. BTCY, we got a request for BTCY. There's a potential for BTCY. Volume is a bit light, around the 92k. However, we might see potential. No, it doesn't look good. The other one we might see is CISO, 18% up on 2.34 million, going up 18%. The chart is looking bad, man, bad. Chart looking really bad. Heavily shorted. I think that's it. SRNE already bought it. Yeah, that's it for now. For now, we got just 3 we might watch. Let's see, AMC is crossing, or AMC dropping down. AMC dropping down, testing the support. But we bought back pretty nice. You see this wick? This is good. Thank you, Harvey. Thank you, brother. Hit the like button and the win. We always do live streaming each day around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern Time to hunt for the stock that have potential to squeeze. Like now, AMC have a struggle to overcome this level of resistance around the $5.30, but we're still holding a support above the 5 because the price bought back around the $4.90. Yeah, so we'll watch. Already put alert from above, and let me just put another alert from down below just in case if AMC drop down. I will put it there just in case, and I will take it from the list here. Palantir is pumping up right now as we suggest. We might see a test for the $9.90 when the market open. Okay, so looking good. GNS, we got some people asking about GNS. Okay, brother and sisters, what's going on with GNS? We have a breakout, price consolidate up, and now there's a potential reversal. Yeah. There's something happening here. There's something happening. Looking good. Let me go on smaller picture and smaller picture. Okay, GNS looking good. GNS looking good. That's why I put alert, because when I put alert, I get reminded by some setups like this one looking interesting. Let me just put alert here for sell-off. If we don't hold the $5.80, game over, at least for today. If we overcome the 8, oh man, this will be a huge. This one will be a huge game for us. GNS, I will put it on the list. Looking interesting play. And AXLA, it doesn't look good for at the moment. Hexo, testing our box. Oh man, let me just see what's going on. Hexo, one of the top gainer before. It hit our level. That's why we got alerted. Let's put this here. And let us put another alert. $2. For a squeeze and potential support. Oh man, if we broke this, this mean would be bad trade. Okay, we'll leave it to that. GNS, I'll put it on the list. So we put in EXI first. GNS is still struggling. INZY. So we have to organize. We have to organize our list before the market open. Interesting. We have a breakout and continuation for the breakout. SRNE is a bit far. So yeah, Palantir, GNS. Okay, so we have two. INZY. We might see a test for the $3.79 when the market open. We might see a continuation. Watch out, this one going there, $3.79, first profit taken. How much we can do when the market open? Another 16%, now 45%. So we will have at least 60%. So we'll see if we hold and continue to go higher. Let's see if we could hold. Okay. Let's go everybody. We have just 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left to the opening bell. 2 minutes left. Let's hit the likes button on the way in. We have almost 100 people watching and just 34 likes. Let's even this out. In order to have like the algorithm of YouTube push our live streaming to more traders, and this is what we do here to help more traders to know how to trade and save themselves from buying the wrong dip and averaging down on the wrong dip. As we said here, we buy with the market maker when the prices start to reverse. This is the strategy that we should have in order to not averaging down on the wrong place. As well as we said, always we go live around 3 p.m. CET. So tomorrow as well, we're gonna have live streaming. So if you came a bit late, you can attend to our live streaming more early tomorrow. Let's go. Okay, the market is open. What's gonna be? Palantir is down almost 4%. We'll watch this one, looking really interesting. Palantir is still down. Let me just check if we still hold this level. GNS down. INZY is up. This one we might see a huge breakout. It's dicey now. It's testing. Palantir, we need to hold above this level to have a test for the 9. We need to hold to have a test for the 9. This is it. Let's see a hold up for Palantir. Yeah, Palantir going higher toward the $9.90. Let's go in a smaller picture to see what's happening. Yeah, we need to overcome the $7.80. Let's see this one. It's going down. This one's going down. Yeah, we have a bit of SRNE looking good. There's a potential for the 1899. Yeah, SRNE looking good. SRNE. SRNE is pumping. Okay, SRNE is pumping, looking good, 15%. Let's see, continuation over 19, we need to hold. It's testing, still testing, this resistant. Yeah, we need to hold above this level, the 19. Another test. Are we gonna have a break right now or a rejection? Palantir is going higher. This is good. $85, $86. Okay, and XIE looking good. And EXI. Okay, this one looking good for a breakout around the 76. We have a test and rejection. This one could run. This one it could run. NEXI. And EXI for a huge potential right now toward the 87. Okay. And EXI toward the 87. Let's see a continuation and hold up above the 76. We need to hold here. A test again and rejection or a breakout. Right now a breakout should go toward the 87. $80. We need 87. Now 80 cents. 81. We need a continuation right now. No rejection. A huge continuation. NEXI. 80. Let's go. 87. We need 87. 81. Yes, let's go for the first profit taken. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 79. 70. No rejection. No rejection. We don't want to have a rejection right now. A huge fight. A huge fight between the shorts and the buyers. We need to have the 81.40. Still fighting. A huge buy in here. So we need to hold above this orange line for a continuation higher. This is actually should have took us until the 87. I don't like this, you know. I don't like the red candle forming here. This means there's someone selling. The short is still not covering. The short is still not covering until we see the 82. Short is not covering yet. Still fighting. The short is still fighting for this one. Yeah, we have two red candle. Yeah. Not looking good. Not looking good now. We should have actually went right around the 87. We're still fighting. So this is the support right now. If we don't want to have a sell-off. Now we're still fighting because we're still holding above this level. So as long as we hold this ascending line, we're gonna have a continuation toward the 87. Let's see this one. No, GNS. SRNE looking good. Looking good. SRNE. Yeah, for this one we might see a continuation. $77. Still fighting. This one is still fighting. Let me just check something. The volume on this breakout candle, we got 126, 1237. Yeah, there's someone bought really heavily here. 126. So this candle, this is wasn't not normal, okay? 126. So someone bought. That's why the price is still holding after this huge selling pressure open and then on the breakout. So this breakout should have actually took us for the 87. This is the normal breakout, but this one is not normal. Let me just put another alert just in case. Okay, SRNE is pumping 21% now. Palantir is going up. Palantir is going up. We held perfectly above the $9.59. That's why it's still pumping up. Palantir, we might see red to green. Palantir, red to green. Okay, SRNE looking good. We have kind of a support around the 19 cent. Let me just lower this. Now is around the 1982, so the 23 should be interesting profit taking. Support 19 cents, so looking interesting for continuation. Let me just check how much from here. 4%, 18%. Okay, it's RNE looking not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, it's RNE for a continuation. It's RNE, we might see a huge pump. It's RNE is moving. 2045. Let's see a continuation for the price. Okay, a bit of selling pressure. Let's see. There's a bit of breakout zone will happen there. Would be interesting to break around the 21. Really interesting. 21, then the 23. So the breakout 21, then the profit taken 23.80. So there's a bit of resistance around the 21. Now it's 22.30. Let's see a continuation. We need a continuation. There's someone selling, man. There's someone selling. There's someone selling around the 21. If we broke the 21 without a test, it means a strength and a squeeze. $7 million. GNS not now. IZY and EXI still gravitating down. Interesting. So SRNE is the only one which have a potential to pump. Potential to pump really high. Now it's just 24%. Let's see the 21. A break for the 21. 2080, 2090, 21. AMC hit the scan. 21. Let's see a rejection or a break. This is it. We have a bit of rejection. AMC is breaking the $5.39. Good. AMC reacting. The market is reacting actually. The market is going up. We have a reaction for the market. We have reaction for the market. As we said, it's not red, the market, but is reacting. SRNE. The market is reacting, guys. We might see a squeeze for mini stocks. This one is still holding above our ascending line. We might see a continuation for mini stocks. GNS, so SRNE testing again the 21. Palantir is going up $10. Tesla is going red to green, maybe. Yeah, almost less than 1% down. We got Box 20% went down. We got GNS or SRNE have a rejection, of course. SRNE 21 break. We need a 21 break for the squeeze. Nope, we got rejected. Yeah, the 21, guys, 21. The 21 is an important level to break. Yeah, rejection. 21, huge rejection. Oh man. 21 rejected. Let's see hold up for the 19 then. Should be the support. We might see a continuation down here, then continue to go higher. Aha! Now we have a volume. We might break it now. $21. Man, the 21 is really strong. This is really stronger level. Who's selling here, man? Who's selling? $30, $44, $47. So we need $50K to break this level. Okay, we might have a break now. Break up or down. This is it. Interesting. NEXI going up a bit. Palantir still down. This one, man, the 21 is it. This is it. 21 cent, guys. 21 cent. We need to break it. We might see a 19th toward the 19 pullback. We might see a pullback toward the 19 around this area. This area, we might see a pullback toward it. Boom. Then we're gonna have a fuel up. Yeah. Short seller won the game here, man. Huge wall of short. Huge wall. Huge wall. Yeah, got shorted. We got AMC is pumping right now. AMC is pumping at a bit of rejection below our resistance, the $5.60. Ape doing all right, 1%. AMC 3%. Ape is really doing good because we're still holding our level. Is still holding. There's a potential squeeze. There's something buying or someone. Whoa, look at this candle. Look at this 1 hour candle. Bounce from our support, the $4.94, and we went until the $5.50. Interesting. Interesting volume. Really interesting strength for AMC. NEXI is still holding. Still holding. We might see a continuation. Okay, this one we might see a pullback now and continuation. Okay, now are we gonna have a bump? Is it now? Are we ready? 2075. Not yet. Remember guys that our live streaming is a bit delayed. Okay, so this is really important to know. Our live streaming is a bit delayed. We can't do anything about it. At least in our generation, we might have this latency will be improved in coming years. But at the moment, live streaming always delayed. We're watching SRNE to break the 21 cent. As we said, this is the breakout zone. We might see a break right now. What's gonna be? Would be really great if we have a break for the 21 cent. $20.95. 21. Are we gonna have it now? 20.99. 20.99. Man, oh man, we pumped. Let's see a continuation now. Let's see a continuation. 21.15. We need a huge bump now. No fake out. Come on, SRNE, no fake out. We need a continuation. Let's go. Yeah, 21.50. Let's go. We need to go toward the 23. 21.60. Let's go. We need a huge pump. 21.75. Okay, selling pressure. Come on, this is fake selling pressure. We need to have a pullback and continuation. We need to have a continuation. As we said, the 21 is the start of a squeeze for SRNE. We need to have a continuation. Let's go. 21.70. We need a 22 now. Yeah, we need a 22. No pullback now. No pullback. The pole is controlling. The shorts are naked right now. They lost their shorts. The short seller lost their shorts. They lost everything right now. Let's go. 22, 28. Okay. What's gonna be 22.13? Okay, what's going on here? What's going on here? Yeah, we need a continuation. Yeah, we might see a bit of rejection around the 22.40. Yeah, here another rejection. Let's see. Yeah, another rejection around the 22.45. Let's see a test there, then a rejection. Not here, man, not here. We have to have a pullback now. Still, we're still strong. Come on, we have to go to test the 22.45 at least. Come on, 22.45. Come on, 22.10. 22.45. Yeah, 22.24. 22.24, 22.23, 37, 40. Let's see. We have a pump over it. Okay, perfect. Okay, now a test. Of course. Yeah. $2.45. We test, we rejected. Interesting. This is good. This is good. That's what I like to see. Okay, now we have to break. Now we have to break. We test the resistance. Now we have to break it. Otherwise, we're gonna go down. What's gonna be? What's gonna be? SRNE. 23.83 should be the profit. If we broke the 22.45, we have a test. Price went down. Now it's risky. Let's see. As we said, 22.45 is a resistance. We tested, all right. Now we might see a pullback. Pullback is mean a bit of weakness, but if we don't have a pullback until here, is good. If we held above the 21.60 is mean a strength, and we're gonna have a break for the 22.45. So the 22.45 is confirmed resistant at the moment. And last, before we said the 21. You see what's happened? We have a huge pump as we said it. We did almost 6% from here. Interesting play. Interesting. Plus the like button and the way in. We always do live streaming each day around 3 p.m. CET. Okay, what's going on here? We got AMC. Let's check AM. It's easy to pronounce. AM. Okay, what's going on with this one? Potential play, 70% up for this one. Oh boy, this one is a big mover. This is a huge wave. This one is risky, guys. This is one I don't like because it's really risky. We don't have an entry. There's no entry. It's really crazy. How is risky is that? But we might see a potential entry here. If we hold the $2.92, there's a potential entry, and profit taken should be here. Wow, it's big profit taken for $1.56. So this one is let me just check the risk. Yeah, 5% to 40%. Really nice. So if we hold this support, we're gonna have a pump. SRNE looking interesting. I'll put it down. Then Palantir is going down. GNS not now. This one doesn't look good. This one no. Ape still not good. AMC still not good. So we have to watch out SRNE and AMEM. AMEM and SRNE. Let me just put alerts just in case if we drop from this support, and another alert for this one if we pumped from this level. Okay, the market is on fire, guys. That's why you hear the beep sound. SRNE for potential break for the 2245 and continuation higher. Great trade for this one. It's pumped from here to there almost 17% and still pumping. SRNE looking good. This one is still not looking good. SRNE is pumping 2245 going toward the 2383. Looking good, guys, looking good. SRNE looking good. Continuation. Let's see a continuation for the price toward the 23. Now it's 2277. Let's see a continuation. Let's see a continuation toward the 2383. Now is the rejection. A huge selling pressure. Huge selling pressure. Okay. AMAM looking good. AMAM looking good. Still holding the $2.92. Let's see if we have another breakout for this stock. I think we're gonna have a sell-off instead. Yeah, it's overextended and a lot of people taking profit now. Yeah, we need to hold above the $2.90. Now it's $3. Really interesting what's happening here. Accumulation. There is a huge accumulation. We are really near the support, the $2.93. What's gonna be? Are we gonna break? If we broke it, we're gonna have a huge dump. Huge dump down. Oh man, SRNE got shorted. Yeah, got shorted around the 22.45. Yeah, it's got shorted really heavily right now. It's game over, I think. Okay, let me just check. We're still holding the 21 support, which is right now the support. 23.83 should be kind of profit taken. After that, the 26. Let's see. We don't want to have any price continuation down below the 21 will be a weakness. GNS still. Okay, this one I think will go down toward the 20 or the $2.55. AM is getting shorted now. It's been up over 70 or 80%. Now it's giving a bit of profit. Okay, this one is an offering. TA jumped 70%, AM 60%. INZY doesn't look good to me because the charts kind of not interesting. Yeah, still tricky. Light on volume, this one FRHC. TWLO. Too expensive. Oh, Shopify is on the top loser for today, 15% down. Even though we got great earnings yesterday. Yeah, we got good earnings, 600% suppressed after hours, but the price went down. So now Shopify looking good for a really nice dip, because here is a kind of support. Looking good for buying the dip actually. Shopify looking good. You know what I'm gonna do? I'll put here and add Shopify to my growth stock list. Potential trade actually. Looking good. MULN is going back down 4% around our circle. SI got rejected around our resistance at 23.30. And BOXD giving a bit away from the 40% gain that we did in pre-market. Exilla is still down, yeah, near the support. KPRX light on volume today. Let me just check something. Interesting. Let's go back to our list. Check Palantir. Palantir still struggling to overcome the $10. We have a pullback. We held above the $9.50. As we said, the $9.30 is the bottom now, or the support that we should hold to confirm a strength for Palantir to go toward the 10 and 11. GNS still below our breakout zone, the $8. NEXI still struggling. We're still holding the 51, so we might see a power hour for this one. If we held the 51 here, is mean game on for this stock to go toward the 87, $1 and beyond. So this is really important level to hold. And SRNE continue to go higher for today, holding above the 21. Great hold up for the 21. We might see the 23.83 pretty soon. And AMA is going down. AMA is going toward the $2.55 support. Okay, we might see a drawback again here. So we might see a bit of hold up. Prices still continue to go down. This after this short open around the $3.70. See here? Huge short open. Thank you, Midasweep. Thank you, Midasweep, for making notice for the stock SRNE. Yeah, looking good. It was looking good. It was a huge selling pressure, but there's a potential, as we said when we broke the 19. And yeah, we got a good call from Midasweep. He said there's a potential. So we checked the chart first. And we got the potential because we said the 19 is the support and the resistance, the 21 now is breaking and going toward the 23. So SRNE looking good. SRNE looking for a new high. Is RNE toward the 23.83 now. $22.60. We need to break the 23 new level to break 23 for SRNE. Are we gonna have a continuation? This is the main question. INZY. Yeah, AM going toward the $2.55 because we don't hold the $2.93. SRNE is still holding. We need the 23. We need the 23. Palantir is still holding the support around the $9.60. A new high for today, we should see the $10.25. And EXI is still accumulating after this fake out around the 76. So we have to watch out for the stock. There's have potential. It has potential. As we said, if we hold above the 51, or it's better to hold above the 60. Okay, here. If we held above the 60, we're gonna have a break toward the 76, then 87, then $1. So let's watch SRNE. What's gonna happen? Are we gonna have the 26 by today? We might have a huge pump, a huge bump. SRNE from the depth. Yesterday we have a huge selling pressure. Now we have buying pressure. 23, 23.35. Good. 23.50. Good. 23. Yes, we pumping. SRNE is pumping, guys. We hit the profit taken 23. Perfect. 23.83 because we held our resistance as we said. Now it's the support, the 21. And we reverse and we went to our profit taken. Now going toward the 26.80. 26.80, the second profit taken. Let's see if we're gonna go there. AI hit our scan. AI, oh man, AI is about to pump. Let's switch to AI. AI is about to pump, guys. Watch out. Alert. AI is about to pump. Okay, AI looking good. Okay, AI stock is looking good toward the 27. We might see the 27. Yeah, another 5%. So I put it around the 27. And the 30.80 is the squeeze. Or let me just put it around the 28. Okay, we have a breakout. We have a breakout. AI looking good. SRNE. Hit our profit taken. It's still stagnating now around the 23.80, getting rejected again. Some people taking profit. Maybe our hunters taking profit right now. Our hunter taking profit around the 23.80. Okay, AI, what's going on? 25, 90, we need the 26, 27. Yeah, will take time. This one will take time. We need to have patience. Patience is a key. Remember, guys, patience is a key. Mike Roland, one of our hunter here, said GMBL is pumping. I don't know it's pumping or not. Yeah, 20%, not bad. Not bad. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. Looking interesting. It's pumping from the depth. It's pumping from the depth. It's dicey, it's dicey, it's dicey. We might see a rejection around the 90, but look good, but not that good. AI still pumping. AI 26. AI on the move. AI on the move. Is RNE getting rejected around our profit taken as we suggest? 2380. If we clear it, we're gonna see the 2680. AI on the move, guys. AI. Oh, we got some stock got halted up. Let's check this one. We might see a winner. NFTG 20%. No. Light volume, not good. GMPL 23 worth of volume is good, but it's pretty cheap, just 8 cents. It's risky, you know, so we'll take it from the list. AI getting rejected again. I think the problem with AI right now is the light volume. Is the light volume. Compared to SRNE, see, SRNE almost 63 million. AI just 3 million. And we got rejected, ladies and gentlemen, around the 2383 profit taken. So SRNE getting rejected. Of course. If we went down again toward the 21, I don't like it. If we held above this AMA or above the 2230, I like it to continue to go higher. This area, if we held it, will be great for continuation. Really great to break this level, which is now is the resistance. The 2383. Palantir is going up. NEXI, this one may be in power hour, so we're gonna do chart analysis update if we broke any level for it, so watch out on our Discord, our guys here on Discord, so watch out for any update for chart analysis. We did for Tesla before, yeah, Tesla and AI, of course. We spotted this breakout back then. Yesterday, yeah, for AI. Now AI is have a reaction, really good reaction. Everybody knows this one is the ChatGPT stock, so everybody knows what's happened with ChatGPT. This one was trending down since 2 years, and it's owned by Elon Musk. So now is have a turning point after the ChatGPT release, and we have the turning point in January, yeah, even though the release was in December. So we have a huge pump from this bearish channel, almost 100%. We might see a continuation. We might see a continuation toward the 53 and the 39. but now we have a pullback. At the time being, pullback. Yeah, I don't like this kind of reaction, you know, a pullback around this level, around the breakouts. I don't like it. I don't like it because the volume is light. This is normal. This RNE is have another potential test for the 2380. Sunray. Let's check Meta. It pumped before. Everybody knows what happened to Meta last year. We have a huge selling pressure. Now we have a huge gap even after the bad earnings. 22, man, 22 down in the earnings. Last earning was in the beginning of February. And see what's happened. The price jumped from the 88 until the 197, just below the 200. Almost over the 100% in just last October, so just few months. So we have a good reversal for Meta after we jumped down from the 380. So we did almost from 2021 August. Wow, 76%. This is crazy dip for Meta. But now we have kind of gained back a bit of loss. So we watch for Meta at 245 for a potential squeeze and going in bullish trend. At the time being, we need to hold this box. So Meta is still on my watch list. AI still have a potential to pump. Still there's a potential, at least toward the 28 and the $30. Yeah, if we have the $30 for today, it will be a really good squeeze. Yeah, the 30 now is 25, so we're missing just $5. Sounds really small, yeah, $5. SRNE breaking, SRNE. This one is the top gainer, guys. This one should be the top gainer for today. Is pumping, testing any resistant and pump, test resistant, break and pump, test resistant, break and pump. This is what I like, man. This is what I like. This stock mean business. This stock mean business. Now it's 24 and pumping. 24. Yes, going toward the 26. 24.35, 24.50, 24.79. Oh man, this one looking good. Yeah, 4% from this jump. Yes. SRNE. Let us put alert around 26.80. And another one just in case around okay, AI. Okay, AI picking up with the we have picking up in the volume from 3 million to 6 million. So AI looking good now. for another pump. 6 million, doing good. We need another 6 million. Okay, AI is pumping 2620, so the volume is good. The volume is good for a pump toward the 28 for today. Now it's 26. AI looking good. I think Elon Musk is pumping the stock like he did with Tesla. Tesla is pumping, guys. Tesla is pumping officially. Tesla is pumping. Red to green. Tesla is pumping. Going back. Now we officially broke the 213 officially. So now looking good. Tesla looking really good. Tesla looking really good now. Let's see AI. Let's see AI squeeze. Okay, 6.033 for AI. Come on, we need another pump. We need at least 7%. We need for AI to pump 7% and get at least another 6 million, man. Now it's 6 million. We need another 6. So 12, 20 will initiate the squeeze. SRNE still we got rejected around this profit taken. Still struggling to hold above the 2380. Huge wick happened. So yeah, we're not clear yet for SRNE. Clearly not clear yet from this breakout zone. SRNE 44%. We might see 50% for today or more. Price target for this one another 50%. So we might see a 58% gain. So 100%. Around the 38. This is the ultimate profit taken for today, for my opinion, for SRNE. Now getting near the 2680. And have a struggle around this profit taken or resistant area. AI 26. We have a huge pump. We're gonna have another huge pump. We need to have the 27 now. At the moment it's 26. Let's check. Oh man, this one is down heavily. So I don't like the charts. First we got low volume for VS. Low volume, 7% up of course, but it's still below the 88. So I'm not looking to make any trade as long as we are below this level. It's not looking interesting now. Even though we have a volume picking up, but it's not looking good. At least for today. Just in case, let me just put alert. We might hit this level later on. You never know. Tesla AI still pumping 3%. But 3% is really small for AI. We could actually make 50, 30 if we clear the $30, of course. Now it's 3%. 3% for AI. 3.10, 26, 29, still pumping. Okay, we got alerted. BZFD. Wow, it's pumping. BZFD pumping from most important level. Yeah, the $2.17. Oh man, this one looking good now. Looking good, looking good. I was watching for this one to break yesterday, but we didn't. We might see another 20% for this one toward the $2.64. So looking interesting. $2.64. So yeah, we might see a continuation for this one toward the $2.64. Great breakout. Let me just check the volume for this one. BZFD. Yeah, volume not bad. 3 million. We could make more. But this one is a huge gainer, so we might have a huge pump on low volume. It's not, it's doable because we got mini stock did it before, like HKD. It jumped almost 1000% on 500k worth of volume. So it's doable. Let's see if we held above the $1.90 for a continuation. Okay, Palantir going to green now. Palantir, we might see a continuation for Palantir toward the $10.63 finally. This is the profit taken as we suggest from the last video. After we broke the $9.30, we said the first profit taken should be the $10.65. Price got rejected, and now price going up again for the $10.63. So we might see a profit taking triggered for Palantir for today. Yeah, AM going toward the $2.55 support. SRNE got rejected, of course, 23.83. We have a wick and the price went down and broke, but we're still holding above this current support, the 22.50. If we held it, would be really great to break this level around the 24. So what's gonna be we're gonna have to have a wick or not? I don't like this. I don't like this. We need to hold the 22. The 22 should hold, man. We have to have a wick right now to confirm a strength. Elite ask about AMC, one of the biggest gainer before. Now we are getting down. Okay, AMC going down. Okay, AMC, I don't like the chart anymore. It's heavily manipulated, guys, right now. I don't suggest to enter. It's not looking good. AI is going up. AI is going up toward the 27. AI potential pump. We discussed this trade AI yesterday when we did this chart analysis for a potential breakout from this level. You see here? Yeah. Resistance breakout around the 2550. Yeah, and now 2650 because we broke out from this triangle. We spotted this yesterday and the price today pumped. Now 4%. 4%. Let's go. AI on the move. AI on the move. First profit 28. Squeeze profit 30. 30.86. What I mean squeeze profit is mean we could actually take profit before any rejection. If we didn't get rejected around the 30.86 for AI, is mean a squeeze and the price will go really high. Now getting near the 5%. We'll see. Tesla 1%. Tesla 1% finally. Tesla looking good. Still bullish. A lot of you ask me if we could actually short Tesla, put options, and many of you like said it's good to short. Here, you see here, a lot of you wishing if you shorted Tesla, but we said it's not ideal to short Tesla because we're still holding this ascending line. We're still strong. And that's what happened. The price reversed and now continue to go higher. So never short any stock is still strong. Don't try to anticipate or predict the bottom or rejection area. This is a recipe for disaster and make you lose money. If you see a stock is strong, you have to get in and buy it. If you see a stock is weak, you have to get in and short it. Simple, man, simple. And make you never lose money. Or even if you lose like at least in small percentage of time. So this is the most important thing. Never trade against the market. Because usually traders lose money because they want to predict the bottom. Nobody can predict the bottom. Nobody can actually predict it by the cent. It's impossible. But what we could predict is the percentage of reversal, the area of the reversal, okay? So we don't have to, if the stock going in bullish trend and we want to predict the reversal from this bullish trend. Nobody can know exactly around the top price before the reversal or the bottom price before the reversal from the bottom price. Nobody can predict that, but we can predict with high percentage of probability after we have accumulation, after we have confirmed support, and many indicator and factors that will help us to spot the reversal. Not just like this, it's not like gambling and you close your eyes and wishing for the price to go down or up. This is not good. 1.44. Tesla is pumping, guys. Tesla is pumping toward 233. We might see a huge pump. Palantir is pumping as well. Palantir is going toward the $10.63, the first profit taken. So Tesla, Palantir looking good. AI is pumping as well, 4%. What's going on with the market, guys? The market is hot right now. The market is hot. SRNE, on the other hand, is giving back profit because we got rejected around our profit taken, the 23.80. Let me just check the other stock. Or the SPY. The SPY I think is down. Yeah, the SPY is down. Even though we have many blue chip companies up, but you see the chart is still looking good. We have accumulation for the SPY around this area, the 417 and the 400. Yeah. So this is accumulation area. After that, we should have a pump. This is it. So now the market is preparing for a huge test for the 430. For my opinion, this will confirm a bullish trend for the market. This is it. Will be a crazy level to test and confirm that the bearish trend is start or stopped, and the bull is ready to take the market once again to a new high. What's gonna be? This will be a good start. Ethereum pumping. I think Ethereum is pumping. I think, man, the market maker buying stocks and crypto at the same time. Right now we have a huge pump for crypto as well. You see, Ethereum is pumping from the 1760, the 1700. You see what's happened? We have a breakout, so there is a huge potential pump for Ethereum. I'm watching Ethereum right now for a potential pump toward the 2000, man. 2000. This is the profit taken for Ethereum. We might see a huge pump for Ethereum, 16%. Looking interesting. So there's one button that the big whale have. They buy crypto and stock at the same time. The market maker are buying Tesla, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the other high potential stock, growth stock, in one button. This is my hypothesis. Okay, it's not for real. Don't take my don't take this as like a fact. Okay. Jesus list AI is pumping 5%, almost 5%. Yeah. AI. You are welcome, George. Really good hunt, guy. I told you there is a potential resistance for AI, for AMC. As long as we hold the current support, AMC is good to go higher to test the second profit taking. Someone said, why you don't like AMC chart? Great question. AMC is still holding the support, the $4.94. The second profit taken is around the $5.60. And why we don't like it? I don't say I don't like the chart for AMC, but the price action is not interesting. It's boring. Right now it's boring because just 5% and it's accumulating, and you see here low volume, and we're still below this level of profit taken, and even if we go there, it's just 2%, you know. If we go to the other stock have potential to pump, like SRNE is already 34%, you see. We have the other stock let me just show you, like for Tesla, there's potential for entering a bullish trend until 233. So there's other stock that have potential more than AMC that we don't. That's why we don't look for AMC right now, because it's low volume. We don't have a level that we're gonna have a squeeze from right yet. Okay, so the price action is a bit less volatile. That's why we watch AI and watch Tesla and SRNE for potential pump, because AI is just broke from a breakout zone, really interesting breakout zone, and now it's going down. What's going on with this? This is not normal. This selling pressure is not normal for AI. Let's decipher this price action. Why AI went down here? Why? You should ask yourself why something happened. This is the only way to learn. Why? 26.65. AM. Hit our support, the $2.55. There's no reversal at the moment. Okay, there's buying pressure. We'll see if we have a reversal right now for AM. Okay, AI is continuing to go down. $0.26. Interesting. Tesla going down. Mini stock is going down now. Okay, so the stocks is going up and down at the same time. Okay, AM still holding. Some green candle forming above the $2.55. Interesting level to hold. IMPP, many of you asking, IMPP is near the reversal zone. You know, like if you see just the chart after we got rejected heavily like this, I don't like the chart right now. Even though we're still holding above the 2350, this is the current support which we should hold. But after this selling pressure, I don't have a trust right now to in this chart of IMPP. At the moment, let me just adjust the levels and do this. So we got the 37 as a resistance. And support 2350. Yeah. So watch out for the 37.44, 23.50 as a support. You are welcome, Ray. You are welcome. Happy to help. There is two or one word I kind of don't like, at the same time I really like so much, which is, let me just write it here for here. It is what if. So this sentence I really like, at the same time I really don't like. If you must be wondering why you like it at the same time you don't like it. Because I don't like it if I say, what if I invested in this stock, or what if I bought this car, not that car, or what if I traveled or lived in some country instead of other country. So this is, I don't like to say what if in this situation, but I like to say what if in the other situation, because I will give you an example. It's like, what if I could go like to Mars, what if? Or what if I could like, I don't know, like buy the skyscraper, the biggest one in New York, What if? It's like the biggest thing that you could actually imagine that you do, and you say what if, it kind of give you a big imagination and excitement at the same time, and this is the only thing that we actually separate us from animals. So why we don't use it? So yeah, this word is I really like, which is what if. What if, what if, what if? What if SRNE go to over 100% today? But this is wishful thinking. We don't have to say this. We have to see the technical, and we enter, then we exit. We don't have to have wishful thinking. Like many people talk about AMC going to 100K. This is wishful thinking. But I don't like this. I like the realistic kind of thing, like regarding investing and regarding real stuff, I let my imagination go for other stuff. SRNE still 39%. AI still struggling. Tesla as the same. Let me just take this off. Let's check if we have some question here. Okay. Yeah, the gem, he was a bit scared when he saw the SPY going down. Yeah, we see that this reaction for the market in the pre-market was kind of not big drop, as we said. And the market corrected. Okay, we got alert for SI. SI breaking. SI is breaking right now. Interesting. So we watch for the 2680. 26. Let's see how much we can do from here. And from down. Okay, I don't like this because the stop to stop loss or risk to reward ratio is kind of 1-to-1. MULN's going down. So MULN got rejected. It broke our support. So this is really weakness. So now we are about to test this support. 7% down. I don't like the break here. So once we broke this ascending channel, price went crazy down. MULN got shorted. MULN got shorted. Abe and AMC doing good, both of them. AMC and Abe looking good. Okay, Abe looking good. Potential break for the $2.78, and AMC potential break for the $5.60. Okay, Abe and AMC looking good. It's RNE. Okay, this is good. We held above the 21 once again. It's RNE looking good. Alert, MULN hit our support. So MULN, maybe we're gonna go really low this time. MULN, we might see a huge dump down toward the 25 this time. Lower this down there and put another alert for the 25. Potential reversal. Before the 25, we might have a reversal there. The 28.50. Yeah, first reversal here. So watch out. This is the first reversal. Then we're gonna go for the 31. If we got rejected, the 25 will be the second support. So watch out. This should be the first reversal. 27 or 28. Let me just check again. Yeah, around the 28. Okay, we holding for AMA. Really good. We holding. AM. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go a bit, take 5 minute rest, and we'll go back in just in 5 minutes. Okay, let me just do something. Just 5 minutes, guys, and we'll go come back. Okay, to take your questions. Welcome back, everybody. Yeah. I'm just taking my tea to have a bit of focus time because the market is starting to have a reversal. Yes. Are you doing the dishes? I think the mic is on. Yeah, I forgot to turn off the mic. Anyway. Yeah, no, of course, but I did the dishes before. Sunray, I meditate each morning. Each morning when I wake up, there's no cell phone. I don't use my cell phone and have a clear time for me. I always think about the day, what I'm gonna do, and at the same time I have relaxed time. Only me, there's no cell phone, there's no internet, everything's off. So this is good because right now we live in distraction time, So it's really hard to find alone time just with yourself, It's really hard. And the only way to find time for yourself is early morning. This is the only way, I think. Let's see what's going on. BZFD. Okay, still holding the $2.13. Tesla still holding the 213. AI is going back below the 25.65. SRNE 22.45 is still struggling. Of course, because this is the profit taken around the 24. So this is turned to a resistance now, and this is turned to support around the 21. So we might have another test for SRNE around the 24 cent to go toward the 26.80. Palantir toward the $10. We got rejected, but we're still holding above this AMA, looking good. NEXI, of course, we pumped from this bottom support, so we might see a reversal for this one. I'm watching GNS, AM. Let's see the question from you guys. Sunray. Usually I don't put music while I'm trading. I never listen to music at all while reading or while trading. I just put this right now in live streaming just to have for you guys to listen to, but I rather not listen to music, or when I actually trading I try to just focus on trading. I believe there's music inside of us, If you could stay without music, just with yourself, you can actually. This is the hardest part, actually, because a lot of people can't stand with their thought, And the only way to have new ideas, a new way of thinking, is having nothing, no music, nothing, to listen to yourself. This is the only way, The only way to have clear mind and have a kind of new idea coming up, You have to be bored. But if you put music, you will never be bored. Boredom is the only way to have a new way of thinking and push yourself to focus on hard stuff. But if you each time you're bored and you put music, or I don't know, you want to make it fun, trust me, anything is worthwhile or worth having. That's why a lot of people never do it, because it's hard. And if you feel that you are bored, it means you're doing something right. It's kind of counterintuitive, I know. Boring, a lot of people don't like boring stuff. Free market, okay. Let's check BBY. BBY is still holding around the 30. SI, HLBZ. ABE is going back down a bit. AMC is going back down. So yeah, the volume and volatility is dropping for the market at the moment. Volume and volatility dropping for the market. You know what's happened when the volume and the volatility dropping is not good to trade. Yeah, it's not wise to trade, guys. It's not wise to trade or force trade if you don't have a good setup. Okay, this is the idea. Know when you stop, because over trading make you lose money or lose the profit that you made this day. So now we see a bit of volatility drawback. You see now AMC is drawing back from this level of resistance and profit taking, the $5.60. We went until the $5.50 and with the price went down. For ABE as well, we have a huge pump, almost 5%. Price drew back a bit because we get near this resistance. And we don't have a huge pump toward the $2.78. And this is give us a signal that the market is still like light on volume, because you see now ABE is kind of crawling back slowly up bit by bit. So we're not ready yet because we don't have volume to go toward the $2.78 and squeeze. The other stock on our watch list, we got Tesla breaking, but we don't have enough volume to continue. AI pumped, now we went down because we don't have volume for the market. SRNE, the same, we pumped 23.90, we got rejected because this is the second profit taken, and we don't have volume because now we are accumulating below it. So the idea now is the power hour. Yeah, the power hour should be our friend, and to watch a bit of volatility back. Max, he said, you sound like the real Jesus right now. I will take this as a compliment. TOTH, 17%. Yeah, volume is light. Volume is light, or not touch it. Volume is light. Still, we pumping from the bottom. Just consider that 17% is from the bottom, so it's not considered as a pump yet. Okay guys, we're gonna do a video after our live streaming. around 8 p.m. CET to discuss the stock for tomorrow. And of course, we're gonna do short analysis update for the stock that have potential to squeeze, like AMAM that jumped almost 100% and now going back down. So there's a potential. We got BZFD still holding the support. So we might have a continuation for Palantir over the 10. So we're gonna do short analysis like you see here for on our Discord channel. We did for Tesla, we did for AI. So yeah, and our Patreon as well. So stay tuned for this update if we have any potential breakout and squeeze for many stocks. Okay, tomorrow we're gonna do live streaming at the same time around 3 p.m. CET. So stay tuned for this update and live streaming. If you came a bit late for today, don't worry, you can watch our live streaming after we finish this live streaming. It will be uploaded on our YouTube, and for tomorrow the same time 3 p.m. CET. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.